For over a century, the core of automobile manufacturing has been shaping steel into vehicle bodies. Yet modern car bodies are far more sophisticated than before. Globally, more than 20 hot-formed steel parts require precision cutting every second. This powerful industrial momentum underpins the structural backbone of every vehicle we ride in. This super equipment excels at precision machining of all kinds of complex steel components. The vehicle lateral backbone, the B-pillar, serves as a vital safety barrier for car body structures. It needs to be both sturdy and lightweight. Instead of straight shapes, it adopts 3D curved profiles. Traditional methods either rely on multiple costly molds for curved parts or robot cutting, which often leads to rough edges and low efficiency. This equipment redefines precision manufacturing of steel structures with higher accuracy and efficiency. Conventional machines move only along X, Y, and Z axes, while this system adds A and C rotary axes, allowing the cutting head to move like a flexible wrist. When processing 3D curved B-pillars, it smoothly follows the surface at a constant height, completing the process in one pass. Clean, precise edges with no secondary processing. A single automotive B-pillar is completed in 40 seconds, with plus or minus 0.03 millimeter positioning and plus or minus 0.05 millimeter cutting accuracy. Operators can check production data and equipment operating status anytime via mobile app. Its AI-powered interactive system features a digital human, completing all operations with a single voice command. Like a flexible dancing laser cutter, it is fast, highly precise, and extremely flexible, operating 24/7 without interruption. Do you think it is only used in intelligent automotive manufacturing? From aerospace metal structures to kitchen appliance casings, it plays a role wherever precision curved surface processing is required. It ranks among the global top 3 in market share. No matter how complex the curved surface, it achieves perfect forming with a single precise cut within limited space and in split seconds.